Morning, friends. Morning, Junior. And welcome to the world. Well, I know you're not here yet, but this is the day you were born. And out of complete fairness and equality, this is exactly how I started the video of your sister Emilia. It was right here, right at this sign. I said, this is the day my daughter was born. So just out of fairness and equality, you're both equal. It is really cute. Oh, this is what we've gone with, by the way. The whale one. The whale. I just figured the other one was just a bit too heavy.
It's too warm.
It's too warm. It's roasting.
It.
Oh my god. When I was walking through the ward thing there, I looked into the room where they sometimes store kids.
Yeah.
Where they store the storage, but I can see a few little babies in there. We're moving. We're heading downstairs. We're catching this clothes with us. It's weird I'm bringing clothes in for this baby.
No.
Bring the child's clothes. See you soon in bed. Alright, we're now in the labor ward. Ooh, exciting. Do you remember being in here last time? Do you remember when we took the clothes up there? Emilia came in here.
We forgot a nappy.
We totally forgot a nappy.
Because the midwife
Could bring one of Emilia's.
She didn't say it, and so I didn't even think of it.
Yeah.
Like, dog, nappy.
Isn't it so cool being back in here again though?
I know.
This is designated daddy seat. Now, I'll just sit back and watch the show. Carry on. Have a baby. Alright, waters have been broken. There's little things going on here. Nothing too exciting.
It's just so weird because it's like pouring out.
Stuff is just pouring out.
Yeah, and I can feel it. And like it actually wasn't that bad. See, first time when I got my water broken, first time I got gas and air.
Yeah.
Panicking and stuff. But he just said like, don't focus. It's so weird. I just feel like I'm peeing myself right now.
I got upgraded. Look at this thing. Oh yeah. She was calling it a torture chair.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go get some breakfast food. And it's kind of out a little bit. So I'm gonna take this opportunity because nothing really is going on. Oh, exit. Oh my goodness, this is where I had that conversation. Last time, do you remember standing right here? Oh, okay, I might just try and get a coffee. Listen, I am back with my coffee just in time, hey?
Oh no, it's just they're getting a little bit stronger and
We've got the gas in there.
They don't know how fast I'm going to progress. It seems like I'm still only 1 to 2 centimeters in there.
But they're getting the epi just in case.
Yeah, because I think the doctor said...
He said 3 and 10 minutes or something like that. Talk me to it. Explain it. Explain to everybody. Explain to everybody who's about to have a baby. How should they feel? Feels okay when you suck on that thing, right? Oh yeah, I can hear it. The intensity. Shh. Nobody say anything. Is it getting harder? Oh, that's quick. I can see it over there. Whoa. That is big. That is much faster than Emilia. Ah, the old epidural, lads. Everything's better in life. Not fully yet. Hasn't kicked in fully yet, though, is it?
I don't think so.
They were really sore, though, are they?
Getting another contraction.
Oh, goodness. You look so pretty, though, during your contractions. And I think our OB has abandoned her. You feel abandoned?
I do.
Wait till it kicks in. When this bad boy kicks in, I'm telling you, you're just gonna like, oh come on, let's go home. Like clearly nothing's going on. Look, we're 2 minutes apart. Oh my goodness, compared to yesterday's, remember when nothing was going on? Look at it now. Is the epi working a bit though? You still look really pretty. Oh! Sorry. Can I have a shot now? Oh my goodness, 4 centimeters. Huh? It's happening so much faster, isn't it? Than last time. Like it's just flying along. I can't believe we're already 4 centimeters. We're just like halfway there. But in the last hour, you did like 2, even 3 centimeters maybe. Oh my goodness. You're beasting. And is the epi fully worked in, do you think? Yeah. You're a champion. You're a great baby maker, I must say. No? Come out, come out. Time's up, friend. Okay, he's packing his bags. He's getting his coat on. Put your hat on. Jesus. freezing out here.
Keep pushing, keep
Go,
pushing.
go, 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 go. Come on, come on.
Anna, brilliant. Keep pushing, love. Brilliant.
Perfect.
Are you happy with the setup?
Absolutely perfect.
All right.
Thank you very much indeed.
Anna. This one, would you like to no. So, hopefully we will have a baby next month, alright?
Seriously, like half head.
Listen, during the next contraction, I might just tell you start panting. Sometimes you give a little push after that, so just listen to it. You're just saying push now. Big breath in and out. Nothing more than that. Big breath in and out. Nothing more than that. That's great.
With me, Anna. With me. Well done.
Hello. Hello. Great. Turn around. Now that's good, guys.
Oh,
Oh, we look there for a second. Emilia, huh?
right.
Nice. We put him on there. Have you got all of them in there? Fantastic. He's gorgeous, isn't he? You got great fella there. Great fella. Very good. Fantastic.
Hey, little fella. Hey, Junior.
Beautiful. He's absolutely gorgeous. She says, good. I says, I've been in there and have a sore head now. We'll just get that cord. We'll just be moving like a tiny bit. A little length of the cord. We're going to get Daddy that cord. Okay. Just hold there. Daddy, where are you?
Over here.
Round right there. No, just check everything. Alright. Two, yeah. Yeah. Well done. Okay.
I did the hard part.
You wanted to go up when you're underneath your net, yeah.
I was just writing first, alright?
Doesn't he look so like Emilia? Hi.
Alright.
Hi. Boop, boop.
Yeah. Gee, he says.
Reopen the window. Jeez. Doesn't like that. In all our time, we forgot to bring nappies down for him. I have a son. Oh my god, he looks so like Emilia. It's insane. I can't even open this. And he's so cute. He's mental. I was trying to hold him down there, and he peed all over me. He was like, oh, they're holding on, so he didn't check. And all of a sudden, like, I was like, what the hell is going on? There's like water spraying everywhere. I was like, oh yeah, boys have willies. Now, as a son, I think his dad should dress her for the first time. If I can figure out how this works.
It's just a vest.
He looks so like Emilia. Hello, Emilia.
Are you sure you have that the right way around? I know. And now, I remember I was worried he was going to be big.
Are you guys ready to officially meet the newest member? Huh? Newest member of SACCONEJOLYs. Hello there, Junior. Hello there, Junior. He's so cute. Yes. I dressed him. OTD. Today I've decided to pair... No, he's a man. Today I've decided to pair my hat with my whales. Because I like whales. I peed on Dad. It was the first thing I did when I was born. His first decision. What's the pee on me? Oh, you're very fussy. Oh, you're very fussy. Oh. Oh. Oh goodness. I wasn't even recording that, friend. All that time I wasn't even recording it. Emilia. Emilia. You look like your brother. I'm going to show Erica the birth video really quickly. So, by the way, Erica saw it before you. Oh, God.
Are you trying to be like Alfie?
Okay, where's my little baby girl gone? Where's my little baby girl? Because this is no baby. This is a monster. You're so big. I always tell Emilia, don't mind my hair. Look. Don't mind that, okay? Yeah, that's right. Draw attention to it. Please, please do. I'm so excited to see you guys, but we're gonna have a nap. Oh, thanks. Oh, I get hugs. You excited to meet your brother? Are you excited? Huh? You excited, friend? This way. This way. Come on. Through the magic curtain. Emilia, it's mommy. It's mommy. Huh? Got a bow on for you.
Hey, Emilia.
Huh?
Do you want to see the baby?
You want to see the baby? Oh no.
Did you get a baby?
We take your jacket off. Hold on, we take your jacket off. Who's this? You want to see the baby?
Who's that? Who's that baby?
Who's this baby?
Look at her face. She's smiling. Is that your baby?
Who's the baby?
Is that Emilia's baby? Say hi, baby.
Hi.
She's scared.
Huh?
Give him a kiss.
Mwah. Mwah.
It's okay. You don't have to be scared.
You
You
know.
want to touch him? Look at his little handy.
Mm,
Look at his handy.
Mama.
Where's the baby? Mama. Look, he said, hi, Emilia. Hi, your little brother. Aww. Come here. Can you give mommy a kiss? He's scared of mom. Mwah. Say hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, Gordo. Come here. It's okay. Yeah, baby. Good girl. You gonna give him a kiss?
He's real. Okay, okay. That was a bit of a press.
Yeah, hi.
It's a baby.
You wanna give him a kiss? No.
Give him a kiss?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Baby.
Nice. Aww.
Good girl, Emilia.
Yeah.
Gentle.
Gentle.
Good.
Okay, not. He's not a toy.
Yeah. Do you wanna give him a kiss?
Can I have that? Thank you.
You wanna give him a kiss?
What's a pussy for? I know. It's a toy. Yeah. What's that? You want me to give this to Emilia? That's from your brother. Wasn't that very nice of him? Oh yeah, you know, like Coca. Very good. You look when I break Coca open. Come on. Now, 2 Cocas. Yum, 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 yum. If I give this half, he's okay to have a cook, isn't he? A few hours old. He has an Oreo. Is a baby? Huh? Oh.
Yeah, that's gorgeous.
Oh, nice. Look, I gotta pick. Did you see on Instagram? I gotta pick a boat. Oops. Next. Huh? The baby asleep?
Can you say his name?
Can you say his name? What?
Oh,
Mama. How did you know we were gonna name him Mama? Say his name. Say his name. May? Nope, not that one. Not Mama. Which one? We can't tell. We can't reveal the name until Emilia says it. That's the rules. Everyone's waiting. Oh, he touched him.
just be careful. You're kind of.
Alright guys, we're gonna go. That was an incredible day. Wasn't that an incredible day? This morning I had one child.
Oh, her shoes.
I now have, oh that's what she's saying, shoes. I now have a son and a daughter. Look at this little fella though, huh?
Wanna get up?
He's amazing. You're amazing. You're amazing.
Wanna get up?
See you guys tomorrow.
Oh.
My goodness, we have a journey again. Huh?
I'm gonna give him a.
Oh, he smiled. He smiled. Aww, good girl. You're the best little sister. What? Oh, okay, she's getting in. She's getting in.
You can't get in with the baby.
See you later. Bye.
Hi.
Bye.
Who's that?
Hey guys, and thanks for watching another episode of the SACCONEJOLYs. And don't forget to like the video and favorite the video because that would be awesome.